In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up gift cards on Shopify step by step. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify veteran or just getting started, gift cards are a fantastic way to boost your sales and offer your customers more flexibility. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand panel, which is your main navigation area. You'll see several options, but today, we're focusing on the Products section. Go ahead and click on Products. Once you've done that, you'll see an option labeled Gift Cards. Select it, and this is where the magic begins. In this section, we're going to set up a new gift card for your store. To do that, find and click on the Create Gift Card button. It's typically located at the top right corner. Now that we're in the gift card creation page, we can start customizing it to fit your brand's needs. One of the first things you'll need to do is add a code. This code is crucial as it's what customers will use to redeem their gift cards. You have the flexibility here to personalize the code if you have something specific in mind that aligns with your brand identity, or you can choose the option to randomly generate it, which is convenient and quick. After setting up your code, it's time to decide on the initial value of your gift card. This is the amount that the gift card will be worth when it's issued. You can set a single fixed value or create a range of values for your customers to choose from, depending on what suits your business model best. This flexibility can be a great selling point for your customers, allowing them to buy gift cards for any occasion. Once the value is set, there's an optional step to consider: adding an expiration date. By default, gift cards on Shopify don't expire, which can be advantageous as it provides your customers with endless flexibility. However, if you prefer to set an expiration period, perhaps for a special seasonal promotion or limited time offer, this is where you can do it. Setting an expiration can encourage quicker use and potentially drive more traffic to your store within a certain time frame. And there you have it. That's all it takes to create a gift card on Shopify. It's a simple yet effective feature that can enhance your store's offerings. By following these steps, you can now provide your customers with a versatile gift option that they'll love. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!